This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap. This is the Market Wrap on a Monday. I'm Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network. Manufacturing in New York shrank in June at the fastest pace than forecast, led by declines in orders and sales. The Federal Reserve Bank of New York's General Economic Index dropped to minus 8.7 from minus 3.2 just a month ago. The National Association of Home Builders said its preliminary housing market index fell to 18 from 19, the same level reached in December and the lowest since the index began in January of 1985. Sources close to Ben Bernanke indicate that the Fed chief has no current plans to raise interest rates to fight inflation. Bernanke is more concerned about the jump in oil and gas prices causing an economic slowdown rather than an overheated economy. But Richmond Fed President Jeffrey Lacker said U.S. inflation is unacceptably high, as he put it, but this has yet to spill into expectations or wage claims, hinting that the Fed can keep rates on hold, at least for now. Oil prices touched a record high today of almost $140 a barrel, spiking almost $4 before pulling back as traders weighed Saudi plans to boost production, as well as new OPEC concerns about the high cost of crude oil. Saudi Arabia said it would increase output by 200,000 barrels a day from June to July. Honda's new zero-emission hydrogen fuel cell car rolled off a Japanese production line. It's heading to Southern California. The FCX Clarity, which runs on hydrogen and electricity, emits only water and none of the gases believed to induce global warming. American International Group, AIG, which has lost billions on bad bets on mortgages, named former Citigroup Inc. executive Robert Willemstad to replace the insurer's besieged chief executive. And the FCC is recommending approval of the $5 billion merger between Sirius Satellite and XM Satellite Radio. Scheduled economic reports tomorrow on Tuesday include the retail chain index for the week of June 14th, housing starts for May, the May producer price index, current account balance for the first quarter, and the May industrial production capacity utilization report. In earnings today, Lehman Brothers says it lost $2.87 billion or $5.14 a share. That is in line with analyst expectations. Illinois Tool Works affirmed its earnings outlook from continuing operations for the second quarter and the full year. And Titan Machinery said its fiscal first quarter profit more than quadrupled. For the quarter, net income rose to $3.4 million or 24 cents a share. Finally, Chiquita Brands International said it would likely report a significant loss in its third quarter due in part to higher costs. Scheduled earnings coming out on Tuesday, not many, but there are a few marquee names: Best Buy, Goldman Sachs, H&R Block, and Interstate Bakeries. Some of the stocks in the news today. Capital One said in a filing to the SEC that its May charge-off rate was 6.28 in the U.S. and 6.5 internationally. GlaxoSmithKline was cleared for marketing an extended-released version of the Parkinson's disease treatment it's developed. And Allied Waste Industries as well as Republic Services are discussing a possible merger of the two trash companies. And that is the Market Wrap on this Monday. I'm Jack Lott, and this is the James Dix Financial Network.